Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys how can we pair Bluetooth earbud with our phone. Friends you have guys earbuds, Bluetooth earbuds and friends you want to pair with your phone. So how can you pair? Today I will show you. I will tell you in this video guys. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys. Click the bell icon and like the video. So friends now let's see how can we pair guys our Bluetooth earbud with our phone. First of all guys you will have to on guys your phone setting guys. After on phone setting, I scroll it and friends click on guys your phone Bluetooth setting guys tap here. And guys first of all guys take out your earbuds to pair. So I will take this one earbud to pair and guys I will on my phone setting from this right side. This Bluetooth setting I first of all on it. After on guys refresh it. Then guys after refresh guys you can see guys your Bluetooth earbud device name. So if we will tap on guys our Bluetooth earbud device name available device guys. Why we will have to wait. So it will not work guys, so don't worry guys, you can off guys your Bluetooth earbuds. Again guys we will on this setting guys, sometime guys it's happen, so don't worry guys. Again guys on your phone Bluetooth setting guys and guys take out your earbuds, then guys you can pair easily. So once you can see your earbud name, so I have this Pre-tone company. I will tap here to pair, and guys I will give this permission like pair up with Pre-tone TWS, allow access to your contacts and call history, pair it. So once you can see guys this earbud will pair guys. So as now we can use guys our Bluetooth earbud while operating any app and guys watching any movies. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching the video. Bye guys.